Okay. Okay, if you want any cottage cheese or smokes or even some Sunny D, it's in the fridge. You know, it's a good Sunny D, but, well, it's got some bad parts.
I think I heard a car drive up. Shoot! Tellys!
Sorry about that.
Oh shit! What happened to Kenny?
He was killed by those Vitelli guys.
Oh damn it, Tellys! I quit this piece of crap job.
Yeah, well, we quit you too.